In the next few minutes, I'm going to fundamentally shift the energy between you and the specific person you're thinking about right now. But I need to start with a very serious warning. The frequency playing beneath my voice, it works dangerously fast. Do not use this if you're just curious, because they will become intensely, overwhelmingly attached to you. If you aren't ready for this constant attention, click off this video right now. No. For those of you staying, for those of you who are still here at the very end of this video, I'm going to give you a very specific energy seal. It's a 3-word phrase you must whisper tonight to lock this manifestation in. Do not skip to the end or the brainwave enchantment won't work. You have to let the audio build to receive the seal. My name is Ivan, and everything we do here is based on the universal law of equivalent exchange. I am pouring my personal energetic field into you today. To accept it, the universe requires an action of gratitude from you. Take 1 second right now to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment these exact words. I claim this love. Do it. I claim this love. By typing those words, you are signing a spiritual contract. You are telling the subconscious mind you are ready to receive it. Go ahead. Comment, I claim this love right now. I'll wait. Perfect. Now, put on your headphones if you have them. The binaural tones beneath my voice are tuned to 432 Hz, the exact frequency of biological attraction. Get comfortable. I want you to take your right hand and place it directly over your heart. Close your eyes. From this moment forward, do not pause. Do not close this video. Breaking the audio frequency before the end will shatter the energy loop we are building, and it will push them farther away. Commit to these next few minutes. Take a deep breath in and exhale the waiting. Inhale your power and exhale the doubt. Keep your hand on your chest and listen to the sound of my voice. Your energy is extending out of your body. It is traveling straight to them right now, wherever they are, whatever they are doing. They just felt a sudden heavy wave of emotion, and it's washing over them. They just pictured your face. They're looking at their phone right now, staring at your name. You are entirely magnetic to them. Your presence is the only thing that calms their nervous system. When they're away from you, there is a hollow ache in their chest. They are realizing right now, this exact very second, that nobody else compares to you. Nobody has your laugh. Nobody has your eyes. Imagine your phone sitting next to you. In your mind's eye, hear your exact text notifications go off. See the screen light up. See their exact name appear. See the message you've been waiting for. Feel the adrenaline in your stomach as you read it. That reality, it is locking into place right now. It feels biologically impossible for them to stay away. Feel it. Keep your eyes closed and keep your hand in your heart. I want you to mentally project these words directly into your mind. Repeat this after me. Do it. Feeling it vibrate in your chest. Are you ready? You are drawn to me. You cannot stop thinking about me. You are choosing me right now. Feel the relief of knowing it is already done. The desperate feeling inside of you, it is completely gone. It is replaced by total calm certainty. They are already yours. Take one last deep breath in and then an exhale. You can lower your hand now. You can open your eyes if you've closed them. Welcome back. Do you feel lighter? You do, right? Now, to lock this manifestation into the physical world, I'm going to give you the energy seal that I promised. Tonight, right as you are starting to drift off to sleep, I want you to close your eyes, picture their face, and whisper the words, "It is done." That is your anchor phrase. It means the universe is already moving the pieces to bring them to you. Your logical brain is going to try and fight this over the next few days. Don't let it. Whenever you feel your anxiety spiking or you catch yourself checking your phone, it means your energetic frequency is dropping. Okay? When that happens, you must come right back to this video and listen to this audio again as often as you have to realign your vibration. I highly recommend falling asleep to this exact video tonight to let the subliminal tones rewrite your subconscious mind. Now, if you're dealing with a deeply stubborn person or a third-party situation and you need something stronger, check the link in my description. People are literally getting text messages as soon as they finish a reading. Remember, leave your energy exchange in the comments so this works for you. Drink some water, stay in this high vibration, and I will see you when you come back with your success story. Bye for now. I'll see you on the next one.